Everyone by now knows that Black Friday is a crazy day of the year, and everyone's seen the videos of people pushing each other out of the way just to get a good deal on a 4K TV. However, realistically, that doesn't happen anymore. Over the past few years, Black Friday has become very much an online event, and it sends shockwaves through e-commerce businesses, payment systems, and of course, advertising. In this video, I wanted to give you a little bit of insight into why Black Friday is so important for retailers, especially e-commerce businesses, and hopefully convince you that it should be part of your advertising strategy. I will then also make a follow-up video to this one explaining exactly how to take advantage of Black Friday using Facebook ads. I originally wanted to make it all one video, but there's so much to talk about that I just had to split it into two. So let's get into it. Now everybody loves a few insights from Black Friday. However, the majority of these online are from the US. So here's a few insights from the UK from 2018, and if you want to go proof check any of these, then I'll leave the links in the description below. So in total, in the UK, Black Friday shoppers spent £1.49 billion in that one day alone. If we take a look at demographics, the millennials are the most likely age group to shop on Black Friday, with 53% of them participating in the event, while Gen Xers come in second with 49.5% and baby boomers are third with 27%. It's estimated that 50.4% of adult women in the UK are Black Friday shoppers, with men close behind at 45.1% of all men being Black Friday shoppers. So nearly half of all UK adults shop on Black Friday. Considering there's 44 million adults in the UK, that means 22 million people are going to buy something on Black Friday. However, interestingly, men tend to spend more than women on Black Friday, with an average spend of £257 compared to £204 for women. As for devices, in the e-commerce world, we tend to see mobile as the lead device almost everywhere. However, not on Black Friday. 45% of all Black Friday shopping in 2018 was on a desktop or laptop, whilst 26% was in store, and mobile came out in third with 24%. This suggests to me that consumers are very much in a buying mode, and they use the best device they have to do so. So, what are people actually buying? Well, in a survey from PwC, 56% of people buy electrical goods, 45% will buy clothing, 38% will buy stocking fillers, and 29% will buy health and beauty products. This data suggests that Black Friday is also very much about buying for yourself as well as gifting, as electrical goods and clothing goods are typically bought for yourself rather than gifted. So what drives people to buy so much on Black Friday? Well, according to Hitwise, the top rising companies of Black Friday last year drove sales by offering deep site-wide discounts, such as Boohoo, which offered 60% off everything, Matalan and Pretty Little Thing went with a similar 50% off everything, and Wayfair went with an up to 70% off everything. These companies performed exceptionally well last year, and no doubt they will probably do the same this year again. If we're talking about Black Friday, we can't ignore the elephant in the room, Amazon. Amazon took a 26% share of all online store visits in the UK between Black Friday and Cyber Monday, with eBay taking a 7.3% share. So that's a third of the whole market, dominated just by two online retailers. Also, to highlight the sheer scale of Amazon, last Black Friday it sold 100,000 toys in the UK by mid-morning that day. That's a rate of 167 toys a minute just in the UK. And toys isn't even one of its strongest categories. And to top it all off, it's expected that Brits will spend more than £7 billion between Black Friday and Cyber Monday this year. So that's a huge market to go after. So if you haven't got an advertising strategy ready for Black Friday this year, you desperately need to, because you need to take your part of that £7 billion. So that's my super quick roundup of some Black Friday stats from the UK from last year. Keep an eye out for the next video, which will explain exactly how to use Facebook ads to take advantage of Black Friday, plus I'll have a few more stats from Facebook in that video. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have a really successful Q4. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you'll be alerted about my next Facebook video. Also, feel free to leave a comment below to let me know what you thought of this video, and if there's anything that you'd like me to make in the future, also let me know there, and if there's enough requests for it, I'll make it happen. So thanks again for watching, and I'm looking forward to next time.